Hello, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to redirect GoDaddy domain to ClickBank affiliate link. So let's get started. When you log in your GoDaddy account, you will go to My Products and to your domains. On your domains you will see all your domains you own. I know I own this one, and you will click Manage the domain that you want to use. When you click Manage, it will open up your dashboard, and on the dashboard you will find in the right corner quick links, and you will click forward domain. When you click forward domain, it takes you to this site where you can find all the destinations for your domain. And for ClickBank we will use it to forward to any site. When you go to ClickBank, you will get your ClickBank affiliate link. You will copy the link, you will go back to GoDaddy, and you will paste that link. Then you will click Next, and you can confirm. You will see the confirmation. You will click Finish, and after finishing applying changes, and we wait for the changes. When it's all confirmed, it opens up your domain portfolio, and you will click on your link, and it opens it up. After that you will go to DNS, and you will go to forwarding. And on the forwarding page you can see your hop link that you made from your ClickBank marketplace, and to confirm it you can open up your domain. I open my domain in a new tab, and we can see the products affiliate page that we have copied our affiliate link on our website. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If it was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you need any questions, please give us a comment, we will answer it. Or if you need some other answers or something, we have all tutorials on our channel. And I hope I see you in the next one. Bye!